All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Noam's mastering console. This is a one-of-a-kind mastering console that was custom built for Safari Pedals headquarters, and now they made it into a plugin. We got silky EQ curves, tube style saturation, powerful mid-side processing, and it's all in one simple interface that you can use right on your mastering channel. Also, you could use it for buses, drum buses, instrument buses, and so on and so forth. So let's just dive right in here and take a look at it. And there will be links down in the video description below to check out, so check them out. Okay, so here we have the plugin. Very simple layout, as you can see. We have our input over here, output over here. We have an auto gain. We have our oversampling over here. We have a blend knob, so we could blend in the dry and wet signal. Very interesting for a mastering kind of console. And then we have our presets over here. And of course, we can use this for drum buses and other instruments as well, just not just the mastering. We have our EQs here, or low cut, high cut, if you will. Saturation filter, saturation amount, clean and hot, level. And then we can put that in within certain frequencies as well. And then over here, we have our EQs, high shelf, low shelf. And then we have mid and sides. And we could turn this on and off, of course. And then we have a clipper. And then we have a de-esser. And then a frequency for that. So let's just play some demos here. All right, let's turn it on, put the auto gain on. All right, obviously with the saturation here, I'm getting way out of hand. I like to, when I do these demos for plugins, I like to push things to extremes, see how crazy it can get with, you know, and then dial it back or whatever. All right, very interesting. I did some mid-side stuff here. I like to have the sides hit that brightness in the sides. I'm gonna do that, but the mid stays the same. You can lower it here. Let's actually turn the saturation off for the moment because it's getting crazy. Kind of falls apart there, so that's obviously too extreme. Let's play some presets here. Tight rock. Start this from the beginning, put the auto gain on. Before. Turn it on. Now, of course, these are just presets. It obviously doesn't know what sound is coming through. So you got to make your adjustments to start from a good starting point here. Let's check it out on some individual tracks, see what that does. Let's try this distorted kit preset here. Turn the auto gain on, drums before. Turn it on. So as you can see, cool on a drum bus as well, just experiment around. The thing I like about these kind of mixing consoles or mastering consoles is all your controls are here. It's, you know, designed for simple yet effective, you know, not too crazy. Obviously you have to have a good, well mixed song before you go to your mastering, and stuff like this helps your mastering process simplified. Plugins like this, I should say. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna have to experiment around with more with it here. Pop bus, whatever. Okay, cool. Anyways, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.